NCNA stock analysis and NCNA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's working for me, what is not. NuCana PLC, it's ultimately a 3% level, and it just keeps melting, you know. Like I'm not trying to be the guy that's going to come out here just trying to be like a white knight regarding NuCana, you know. It's the truth is just it just keeps melting, and I'm with it, you know. I'm definitely with it. I mean, this is where all these bearish ideas this bearish idea was born. At the time, you know, it was here, and I said if I see a double break, I'm looking to take it down. At the time it was 0.0469, whatever, 9 days back, and ultimately it's doing its thing, right? So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. If you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. And there's obviously a lot of previous receipts on NCNA in the Discord. So see you in the next one.